In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can automatically forward Gmail emails to another Gmail account. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. So to do this, first things first, open the Gmail account that you want to forward from. And from here, go ahead and select the settings gear up in the top right and choose see all settings. Up at the very top, you're going to see an option that does say forwarding and POP-IMAP. Go ahead and select that. And what you're going to want to choose is the add a forwarding address button up at the very top and type in the Gmail account you want your emails to be forwarded to. For example, we'll go ahead and type just a random email just like so. Hit next. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this where it does ask you to sign in and verify your account. So go ahead and do that. And after doing so, it's going to say forwarding mail to the new email that you put in. Simply go ahead and select proceed. Now switch over to the Gmail inbox of the account that you're forwarding to. You can do this by just simply opening up a new tab, going to Gmail, and then signing into that account. But sign into that account, you'll see a confirmation right here. Go ahead and select this little confirmation link and then hit confirm and you'll be good to go. And when you do return to the original Gmail inbox, the one that you're forwarding from, all you have to do is go back to your forwarding settings right here, refresh, and select forward a copy of incoming mail to, and then choose the email you just added in there just by typing it in. I'd also make sure that you do see this option that says keep Gmail's copy in the inbox and you'll be good to go. But make sure you hit save changes down in the very bottom. And now Gmail is going to automatically forward your emails to that new email address. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.